Hi, welcome to Vantalu.com. Today let's see of how to make Sorakaya Pachadi. The process of making it are as follows. Required items are 1. Sorakai half piece, tomatoes 2 in number, green chili 12 in number, tamarind as shown, jeera as shown, garlic pieces as shown to you here. Furthermore, required items are to make talimpu or tadka are mustard seeds, jeera, garlic, 2 red mirchi, nuvulu, senagapappu, salt, curry leaves, coriander leaves, oil 2 tablespoons. Step 1. Chop the tomato, green chili and bottle gourd as shown into small pieces. Take 2 teaspoons oil into a frying pan. After the oil is heated, add the chopped tomatoes, bottle gourd and mirchi pieces to the oil. Fry the vegetables till they turn as shown and add 2 tablespoons of oil. Switch off the stove and add tamarind, garlic and jeera as shown. Take them into a mixture jar and grind them. Step 7. Grind the mixture into the soft paste as shown here. Now it's time to make tadka or talimpu. Add 2 teaspoons of oil to the pan. Add senagapappu, mustard seeds, jeera, red mirchi and minapappu into the boiled oil. Add half teaspoons or a dash of inguva to it and the pickle paste what you have taken, toss it up with tadka or talimpu and enjoy the serving. For further more recipes, please visit us on Vantalu.com. Thank you.